Hey everybody, I don't usually do hay on Sundays, but with the weird kind of year that we've had, season that we've had this time, you better do hay when it's ready to do. Because if you got a window, you better take it. If you've got a window of about 3 or 4 days, you better take it, even if one of those days do fall on a Sunday. When you work and have to work around that schedule, and the weather schedule doesn't work around that schedule, then you got to do hay when you can do hay on your off time. So this is Sunday morning. I'm hoping that to flip this hay one more time, because it's pretty much dry on the top right now, but it's a little bit damp underneath the bottom. I'm hoping to come down here and turn this hay one more time over and let it lay a hour or so, and then try to get it baled up. I'll come back and try to get you some short baling footage of everything, of baling hay. If you've already seen that before, but this is just what kind of year we've had. Already, I'll come back to you. Alrighty folks, here we are. Let's go 1300 kicking out bales. I'll give y'all a little bit of footage of it. Like I said before, I don't like having to bale hay on Sunday, but if you've got a 4-day window, you better take it. That's what I had to do. Didn't have any choice. I guess y'all notice it's got a hay guide missing on it. Well, excuse me. The mounting brackets broke on it, and I just didn't have time to weld it back on there before I had this 4-day window to get this hay in. So works just fine without it. As you can see, I keep the windrows closed to my back wheel down here anyway, so everything works just fine. It doesn't bother it any. Picks up and bails just fine. So you see, you can improvise if you have to. Sometimes you have to. Alright, I'll be back. Sorry for this short video, but I'll be back. Alrighty folks, got that little bale, or a little patch baled up. Get over here and show you. Got that little patch baled up, and got about 93 bales off of it. So that looks that's pretty good. Pretty good for second cutting on it. On that little spot. So I'm happy. The old International baler. Old McCormick International baler 37, number 37 baler. Did a really good job. And it didn't miss but 3 ties. And that's simply because that I tried to get in too big of a hurry. Tried to load the baler up too much and get too big of a hurry. But I'm happy with that. All right, thank you. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And we'll talk to you later.